6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
That gets the back marker away. That's cheering along now, ladies and gentlemen. Rodney Meyer there, the back marker from Victoria. Dan Clissold there on to New South Wales. Kerry Hewitt, great tree climber. He's going right down there on tree 3 from Queensland. Stephen Dunn there on 4, but Kerry Hewitt's up there along with Lachlan Rice. And up goes their man from Canada, Garnett Peters. Here on 2 we've got Dan Clissold up. And the back marker's up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give him a cheer along here on tree number 1. He's up there with them. Who's going to be halfway first to make their way down the ground? Come on, let's cheer them along. Let's see who can get halfway. They come down the tree and have to go back up again. It looks like Kerry Hewitt's the first man down with Dan Clissold on 2. Then down comes tree number 5, Lachlan Rice. He come down pretty quickly on tree 2, but down comes that back marker. Come on, give him a bit of a cheer along there. He's going up another ground already. He's there with him. That's Rodney Meyer there in tree 1. Kerry Hewitt's got slight lead there now on tree number 3. Former world champion Kerry. Might have been a little while ago, but he can still climb a tree. Kerry's up on the second board. And our back marker's jumping onto his second board there. Rodney Meyer from Victoria. Down comes tree 4. Our Canadian friend down there, Garnett Peters, making his way up in tree 6. He's going to be first up. Looks like Kerry Hewitt's first man to the top. Come on, get behind him, see if we can bring him home. And the black marker's up there, Rodney Meyer. That's 1 and 3 up. Yeah, come on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We'll have to cheer along here. Give a bit of help in here in tree number 1. He's coming home from the Victorian. We've got Queensland on 3. Kerry Hewitt, and up goes Dan Clissold on tree 2. And the Canadians up down there on tree number 6, Garnett Peters. So we've got 4 men up there to finish off at the moment. Let's see if we can bring him home strong here, tree 1. Look at him come home strong there. He's made up a lot of ground. Get behind him, Rodney Meyer. Looks like he might make it. It's going to tree 2 in the middle of him. Dan Clissold. Rodney close for second place. Rodney Meyer, Kerry Hewitt. Let's keep these other fellas going up this tree. Stephen Dunn's about to put his last board in there, and then we'll have them all up the top for the second time. Lachlan Rice cutting well down there on tree 5. He's off. Okay, up goes Stephen Dunn. He's the last man up there on tree 4. Garnett Peters from Canada on 6. And Riley Sheen from Tassie down there on tree number 7. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a bit of a tour on the field. Looks like Riley Sheen's about to come off down there on tree 7, I think. Back the Canadian, just beat him. Very close there.